take a trim tool and just grab underneath this trim piece. Just try to slide the trim tool underneath and just pop it up. Disconnect the connector right here. There's a little like safety tab. Just use a screwdriver and just slide this back just so it's in that position. Then you push down on the tab, disconnect the connector. Now put a little pressure on the front of the switch while you take your small screwdriver and just lift up on these tabs. And pop the switch right out. Now reinstall the switch, same way the old one came out. Lock it down, take the connector, just line it up, lock that down, and then push down on that safety. Now line this trim piece up. You want to line the front up first and lock it down.